Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make this cross craft, which you can find in your Tree of Life Family Activity Kit. Let's gather our supplies. In order to get started, you will need three things. You will need something to color with, colored pencils, crayons, markers, or whatever you have available to you. You will need your cross cutout sheet, and you will need your Family Activity Pages packet. You will notice that on the back of every lesson is a box labeled Cross Craft. This one says, Color Piece 1. Do you see the tree? God told Adam and Eve not to eat from one tree. Jesus saved us with a tree. Do you know how? Then, when we find number 1 on this activity sheet, we see a picture of a tree. Every lesson corresponds with a piece on this cross craft. Once you have finished every lesson, feel free to color and punch out every one of the foam pieces from the cross craft. Once you have colored and punched out all of your foam pieces, you should be left with something like this. Now let's put it together. The first 5 pieces that we're going to look for are to create the base. We're looking for these right here. These 4 bottom create the base. You simply click them together, just like this. And you place this tree directly on top. Once we've made the base, we now have to make the cross. You're going to take both sides of the cross and you're going to find these dividers, just like we did before, and just pop them in there, right in the grooves, on either side. Just like that. And then place the other part of the cross on the top. They should click right into place. And then the crown goes on the top. Once you're finished with that, you simply press it through the tree. And there you go. We now have a completed cross project.